Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be covering which settings are the best for exporting Instagram Reels from Premiere Pro. So let's get right into it. Now I'll be using this blog simply because I can't set up Premiere Pro or Adobe in general for the life of me. For some reason, it just doesn't want to install on my PC, but this will be quite sufficient for this. Now, these settings also work for YouTube Shorts, and TikTok as well, or there might be other settings here, which I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure these will work best for any of these short form videos, including TikTok and YouTube Shorts. So what you're going to want to do for Premiere Pro, the format you want to choose is H.264 for encoding, and the preset should match source adaptive high bitrate. Then the basic video settings should be 1080 by 1920 or 1080p vertical, which is the maximum resolution for Instagram Reels. The frame rate should be 30 FPS, since that is pretty much the cap for Instagram Reels as well. Field order should be progressive, aspect should be square pixels 1.0, render at maximum depth should be set to yes, and use maximum render quality should also be set to yes. Keep in mind, you should also go into your account settings on Instagram and go to your data and data usage and media quality and set media quality to highest whenever you're uploading. Encoding settings should be software encoding, profile should be main, level 4.1, and the color space should be Rec 709. This is important. The bitrate settings should be bitrate encoding is BBR2 pass. Target bitrate is 20 megabits per second. Maximum bitrate is 24 megabits per second. Audio should be ACC in format and code. Sample rate should be 4800 hertz. Channels should be stereo, and bitrate should be 320 kilobits per second, and that is pretty much it. Now, as far as I'm aware, the color tag is usually sRGB, and it will be set to that by default whenever you upload to Instagram Reels. So if you have that option, you can set that as well, but color space should be Rec 709. That is the most important one for the color tag, and everything else you can just copy over from here, and those are the best options for Premiere. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.